Ever wondered if emotional distress counts as a personal injury in a workers' comp case? You're not alone. Emotional suffering is real, and it could be compensable under Oklahoma law. Let's break it down. Emotional distress is more than just feeling upset. It's a state of deep mental anguish or suffering, and it can be caused by someone else's actions, whether reckless, negligent, or downright intentional. We're talking anxiety, depression, even PTSD. Yes, it absolutely can be. In Oklahoma, emotional distress is considered part of pain and suffering in many personal injury claims. That means it's not just recognized, it's compensable. In fact, Oklahoma recognizes two types of emotional distress lawsuits: intentional infliction of emotional distress. You'll need to prove the other party acted in a way so outrageous, so reckless, that society would say, that's intolerable. Negligent infliction of emotional distress. Here, the focus is on carelessness. But you'll still need to show physical symptoms tied to that emotional pain. Either way, the burden is on you to prove it. This isn't just theory. It shows up in real cases all the time. Car crashes, you survive, but now you're dealing with panic attacks or PTSD. Slip and fall incidents. That sudden fall? It didn't just bruise your hip, it shook your confidence. Dog bites. The trauma can make even a walk in the park feel terrifying. These aren't rare. They're valid, and they matter. This is not the kind of case you want to take on alone. A personal injury attorney can gather the medical records, the expert testimony, and the legal framework to prove your distress is real and that it was caused by someone else. If you're dealing with emotional distress from an injury, BDIW law has your back. Our attorneys collaborate with doctors and mental health professionals to build a rock-solid case that shows how deeply you've been impacted. With offices in Ponca City, Tulsa, Stillwater, and Edmond, we bring over 65 years of combined experience fighting for victims like you. We don't just know the law, we know how to use it to protect your future. So, is emotional distress a personal injury? In Oklahoma, yes, and you might be entitled to compensation. Need guidance? Reach out to BDIW Law today, and let's get to work on protecting your rights.